If you're brand new to harmonica, here's something that might save you a lot of time and frustration. So the question is, when you're learning harmonica, should you learn to play with a pucker embouchure, which we might call lip pursing, or should you learn to play by tongue blocking? It's one of the bigger debates in the harmonica world about which one is better, more usable. They both have advantages and disadvantages compared to the other one. My main advice is don't stress about it. Just try each one. Whichever one comes to you more naturally, that's the one you should stick with. You can always learn how to do the other technique later. You can even combine these two techniques, which is something that I do all the time. So I'm going to play the 4-blow with a pucker, and then I'm going to play it with a tongue block. Pucker is right in the center. Now let's do that same thing tongue blocked. I'm going to be playing out of the right side of my mouth. My tongue is going to be blocking the other holes. They're both going to give you the same note. If you really focus in, you can see that there is a slightly different tone between the two styles. Some people really love the bigger, more fuller tone that you get from tongue blocking, and so they only want a tongue block. The most important thing in the beginning, though, is not really which one you choose to do. Like I said, I think whichever one comes naturally to you, you really just want to focus on getting clean single notes. Don't let this question stop you from making progress. You need to just have fun and play. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Click here for the next Harmonica Basics lesson.